There's a little song. I don't know. What do you think, Donald Trump? Well, let me tell you, I think it's a disgrace. You know, there's one thing I want to say to all the viewers out there. Whoops. You know, who loves you and has two thumbs? This guy. That's what they're telling me. I don't know. Maybe it's true. But, you know, some people don't like me because I'm an individual. And I tell them, listen, you know, just because I was on The Apprentice, and just because, you know, Hillary, Lion Hillary, Cricket Hillary, Sleepy Joe Biden, you know, I want to tell you, young man, do, I said young man. You ever see Donald Trump? You ever see Donald Trump dance? He dances like my grandma. Young man, a judge told me I can't talk. What's going on? Well, everybody, I'm just gonna play a song for you now. This is called Sleepy Joe Biden. Well, he grew up in Washington. He was always a politician. Sleepy Joe Biden, Sleepy Joe Biden, Sleepy Joe Biden, Sleepy Joe Biden. It's such a disgrace. Let me tell you something. All right, that's stupid. I do the worst Donald Trump impersonation. Well, I really don't know when I do it. And again, because I haven't really watched the news in a long time. Joe Biden, I can't really remember what he sounds like. But I stood up tall, and I was going to do something with my chin. And Joe Biden, or not Joe Biden, but what's his name? Donald Trump. Donald Trump, he likes to talk up here, but then he'll go down here. Maybe that's true. I don't know. Here's some other impersonations I do from the show. Who's this? Oh, the Count is probably my favorite. Good evening. One rock star, cartoonist, puppeteer, So you wanted to learn how to say blueberry pie, Mina Bushki Minas. I can't do it. It's hard to sing with an accent. Here's my Tonto, which is also my Johnny Depp. Well, hello. It's basically just a cool and low voice. Johnny Depp has sort of a hyper cool Midwestern accent. And he speaks with a lot of pauses. I noticed when he was in the courtroom for the Amber Heard trial, he sort of spoke like Obama. You know, like Obama has long gaps. Folks, I'm President Obama, Barack Obama. I should have prepared for the show. I had some great pictures. I saw a picture of Michelle recently from behind, wearing a strapless gown. It was indistinguishable from, I'm guessing, Mike Tyson. It seriously looked like the back of a former professional boxer. That's another one of those things. What are you, a conspiracy theorist? I didn't want to say it. You saw what happened to Joan Rivers. She died of natural causes. But I did a video once where I had Michelle and Barack Obama on. And the picture is an old picture from when they were first married. Let me see if I can find it. These aren't pictures. What's going on? Downloads, pictures. And all I have are videos. Oh, you know what? Cancel. Cancel. It's because I'm doing this. Here we go. So when Barack and Michelle were first married, allegedly. Oh, I don't even have it. Well, here's Michelle. But I did a joke on one of the shows where I had them call in. And it was like, hello, NANABOOZHOO. Well, hello, NANABOOZHOO. This is Barack Obama. And this is Michelle Obama. That's right. That's the voice I use for Michelle Obama. Yes, I know it sounds like a dude. And she's got a little bit of a lisp. Because look at those teeth, and you just know that behind that is a big old fat tongue. Hi there, my name's Michelle Obama. But the funny thing is, we all act, and people who like them pretend that she's an attractive woman. I can't believe I just called her she. But, and they've really tried to doll her up. But man, even if she's not obviously a man, she's not an attractive woman. Which is another rabbit hole you can go down. So Trump had the best looking first lady. And if you look at her, whatever, Malia, no, not Malia Obama. That's these guys' daughter. Trump's third wife, the softcore porn star, Melania. No, what is it? Yeah, Melania Trump. They all have these weird names. Malia, Melania. She looks like a model, I guess. She's sort of sculpted, but she also kind of looks like a dude. She's real tall, real fierce looking, not pretty. I know she's old now, but whatever. Jill Biden isn't bad. I mean, she's old as dirt and, gross. But when she was young, she probably was attractive. I don't know. But otherwise, when you look at world leaders' wives, ugly. Just ugly. Obviously, Bill Clinton's wife, Hillary. Hillary was so ugly, she made her daughter look cute. Hillary was nasty looking. Did you ever see Bush's wife? Again, I should have pulled up pictures. George Bush's wife looks like a guy and kind of looks like his mom. And his mom, George Sr.'s wife looks like a guy, also looks like, I'm going to do another show on this, also looks like what's his name? Aleister Crowley. George Bush Sr. was married to Aleister Crowley in drag. Their son married another totally unattractive woman. Before him was, who was before Bush? Is there a Democrat before that? I'm starting to forget. Anyway, I was watching this video and they're talking about how just the first ladies, and I think the video was suggesting all the first ladies were trans. secret transgendered people. But what I think is weird is like, you know, when you're rich and famous, or if you're a guy who's in, you know, the kind of person who runs for president is a wealthy male from, you know, these are millionaires who are usually lawyers or other alpha male leaders, you know. They're high status one percenters. They should be able to get good looking women. You know, we see it in the entertainment industry. You know, entertainers get beautiful women not because they're so good looking, but because they're rich and successful and have confidence for that. Same thing with politicians. But the biggest politicians, they don't. And so what's behind that? We'll get to the bottom of it someday. All right, I'm going to call that a show. Where's my pick? I'm always losing that damn thing. Here we go. Here's a little blues tune to take us home. Oh, it's really pretty out here.
Yeah, huh?
I better keep my eyes on the road. The roads, whoa. Roads are kind of slick.
I'll say.
I don't want to be running up that road. Don't want to be sliding around that hill.
No. It doesn't hurt me. Do you want to feel how it feels? Do you want to know that it doesn't hurt me? Do you want to hear about the deal I'm making? It's you and me. And if only could, I'd make a deal with God, and I'd get up to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if only could. You don't wanna hurt me, but see how deep the bullet lies. Unaware I'm tearing you asunder. There is thunder in our hearts. Is there so much hate for the ones we love? Tell me we both matter, don't we? It's you and me. It's you and me, and we won't be unhappy. And if only could, I'd make a deal with God, and I'd get him to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if only could. It's you and me, and we'll be happy. You and me. Come on, baby. Come on, darling. Let me steal this moment from you now. Come on, angel. Come on, darling. Let's exchange the experience. places. Running up that road, be running up that hill. That will take. Say if only could. If only could. With no problem.
Oh, look out, sweetie. I think I see a light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah.
I see the light at the end of the
Oh, here it
tunnel.
comes.
We're gonna make it after all.
I was wondering.
Oh, and if only could. You want to play a car game or something?
I don't know.
Okay,
Not
maybe I'll just watch the road. Oh, it's really pretty out here, though.
Yeah, huh? It's beautiful.
We could do a show just from the car.
Yeah, huh?